Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening my Boxycharm for the month of November. For some reason this month I was just really looking forward to getting it. I didn't look at any spoilers online or anything. I had no idea what was in the box. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So the card this month says Gold Digger, which I think is really cute. So the first thing in the box is this Ace Butte Grandiose palette. Sleeve is shiny and then you take the sleeve off and it's more matte, but it's still that beautiful metallic. This is like really pretty. Definitely something I could see wearing any time of the year. These shades right here are reminding me of that new Persona palette that I've seen a few people talking about. I'm really excited to try these. I've never heard of this brand before. It retails for $24.99. And I'm gonna use the next product in the box to apply them, and that is these Luxie Luminous Eye Sets. These are gorgeous. This is what they look like. They are super pretty. I would say they're kind of like smaller brushes for being more precise. This set retails for $21. Look that I came up with. I really like this palette and I feel like I'm gonna be reaching for it a lot. I just love the colors in them. They're really pigmented. They blend it out really easily, so I feel like I'm gonna be playing with this a lot more. I really like the brushes as well. Luxie always has really good brushes. These brushes are all really tiny, so I don't think I would have normally used this one to blend out my transition shade, but I just wanted to use these brushes. All of them are really good for just being really precise, so I did really enjoy these. So the next item in the box is this Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. It looks like this. The packaging is cute. We've gotten eyeliner from Jante Blue before, and if I remember correctly, it wasn't very good. It only retails for $5 and it says it's a specially formulated black glitter eyeliner. It is like a traditional pencil. Ugh, I feel like it's gonna scratch my eye. You can see like the little glitters in there. Okay, this is doing the exact same thing that the other one did, and it's nothing. So when I swatch it on the back of my hand, this is what it looks like, and you can see the little glitters. I don't know if I just had to get it started or what. Let me try it again. Just not very good at going in the waterline, which is where I would put this kind of eyeliner. I don't know, let me try it on this eye. It's like their formula for eyeliners does really well when you swatch it on the back of your hand. I mean, it looks so black, but then when you try to put it on your eyes, it's like, I don't know if it's because it's not waterproof, but it just barely shows up. So, I mean, I know it's only $5, but that's a pass for me because it just doesn't show up on my eyes, and I don't think I would normally want glitter anyway in my waterline or my tight line. So the next thing in the box are these Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. These are the Instaglam False Lashes. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. Look at this glitter. And the lashes look really pretty as well. These retail for $14.99. I'm gonna put those on and then I'll be right back. This is what the lashes look like on. They are very dramatic and very wispy. They look really pretty and kind of like a romantic feel. The band is a little bit thicker. I'm not really the best at putting lashes on or knowing how to trim them. Like, just take care of them in general, to be honest. So the last item in the box is this Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. You can mix it in with your foundation or your moisturizer, or you can just use it on top. Let's just see how it looks first. It's so glittery. I cannot see myself ever mixing this in with my foundation. Wow, that is really, really glittery. I don't know if you can even see how glittery it is. It's like just straight up glitter. There's no way I'm putting this on my face. There's no way I want that glitter on my face, but I think it would be really pretty on your body if you're into that sort of thing, if you have a special event or something to go to. I think that's the only way I would use this. It blends out really nicely. It's not sticky or anything, so in terms of just glitter drops and stuff like that in general, I wouldn't say I'm usually the biggest fan of stuff like that. So if you're into this, I know Cover FX is known for like all of their shimmery drops and stuff like that. You'll probably really like it, but for me, not my fave. And this does retail for $44, so it's pretty pricey. The overall value of this month's box was over $109. So that is of course a really, really good deal since you only pay $21 for it. I actually really, really liked this month's box. I really like getting lashes in the box just because high-end lashes is just not something that I ever like to purchase just because I don't wear lashes very much. I really, really loved this eyeshadow palette. It's definitely my favorite thing in the box. I also really, really loved the Luxie brushes. I wasn't a big fan of this eyeliner. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know down below if you liked what you got in your Boxycharm this month. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!